Now we're going to talk, wash my hand, now we're going to talk tomato. Tomatoes. That's the whole key of the whole thing. Tomato. Here's a tomato. And here is tomato juice that I had from the other night. Now what I'm going to do with this tomato juice, it's basically tomato juice. I'm going to probably have double that. I'm going to make some beautiful dynamite vegetable soup. And let me tell you what, that soup was good. I made 3 gallons of that stuff. Here's some tomatoes that I've already made. I'm going to add 1 can to this because I already got a whole can in there. And one of these days I got to get an opener. I got this here, Charlie. Got some cool here. I got to kind of do it like this. I can't even, it won't even go. I had an old one, and I said to myself, let me get a new one. So what did I do? I bought one at the dollar store. Of course, that was a mistake. Ain't worth the powder to blow it up with. Plus, with my hands being screwed up, doesn't pay to get old, believe me. I'm taking the San Marzano tomatoes out of here. I'll save the juice. That's already got the special ingredient in there. Secret ingredient. Every recipe has to have a secret ingredient. Now, this is kind of slow, but we'll fast forward. Get in here. Man, it's hot in here. I had to turn the air conditioner on while I'm doing a video because it's too hot. Makes too much noise. Imagine them, I got lights and everything. In fact, if you look here, you'll see the lights and how I do the videos. Yeah, I use a regular bank of lights, and I have a wireless mic. I have a stereo mic up there. It's called a Rode, R-O-D-E mic. It's top of the line. My camera is about $2,000. And I mean, you guys want to make those videos, anybody, I'm not just saying the pizza guys, tomato pie guys. I'm saying anybody wants to make videos and they want to use their cell phone, go right ahead. All that echo and everything. I watch some of these videos, they have echo. So pain in the neck. Alright, there we go. I got it. I think. Alright, so now I got this open. I gotta get the lid out of here. Oh! Nice, huh? Maybe I should go buy a can opener. Okay, well there it is. I'll wash that out later. Maybe I should invest in a good can opener. Alright, now, take this here. You take this here thing over here, this Kumijiyama, right here. And then you, let me put this back on. And then you take the tomatoes, and now see that's got a lot more tomato in it than the other ones. You put them in here and you crush them a little bit. And you want to take the little heart of it, I guess you want to call it. And I got a garbage disposal, so, and you got to get the tomatoes out of here without losing the juice. Crush them a little bit with your hands like that. And you get some of this, I don't know what they call it, the stalk, I guess. You don't want that in there. And I do another one. I find that these tomatoes, these here from the ShopRite, are good. They get a lot more tomato. They're small, but they're sweet. And smaller, they're a little bit less tough, I think. But you know, you want a little bit of the juice. You don't want to lose all the juice. You want some of the juice. And you just crush them with your hands. Just push it through, get rid of the seeds. I don't know the seeds. And I got a nice bowl there of tomato juice that I'm going to make some kind of soup out of. I'm probably going to make, I might try to make tomato rice soup, a little cream in it, a little milk. I try to do that, wash the can out. I know this is a long process, but it's not easy to do this. You want to learn how to do it, you got to have all the steps. I'm going to tell you something about the can. See that can? Got paint in there or some kind of coating of some sort. That's what you want. You want a good tomato like that so it doesn't pick up the taste of the can. Nice tomato. Real good. I see a couple of rinds in there, whatever they are, going to get them out. Okay, you just watch it when you're putting them on, you know. Get that out. Woohoo! Cleanliness is next to godliness, right? Okay, well, we got these two doughs, what we're going to do with that. They're starting to rise already. Through the magic of television. Through the magic of television. Got two doughs already. Already got them made up from the other day. Okay. First pie we're going to make is going to be garlic and I'm going to make garlic and vinegared peppers. Now I got the peppers right here. And I'm going to get the garlic, chop it up. Chop up a few cloves of garlic. Where's my little one? But I find out for Trenton tomato pie, Di Lorenzo, wherever, Papa's, any of them, you really should only put a little bit of toppings on there because it just makes the pie a little bit better. It's the feature. Excuse me. It's featuring the tomato. So that's what you want to feature, not the peppers or the tons of pepperoni on them and all the rest of that. There's two beautiful doughs. Okay. What we need to do is get some flour. We got to flour our table here. Now, look, I'm not good at this. I'm doing the best I can. I'm able to make a pie, and I'm doing it. There it is. There's your dough. I'll put this away, and then we're going to put those two other doughs in there. This one dough probably. Well, I'll fix that over here. Put that over there out of the way. And we're going to punch it down. They call it punch it down. You take your fingers, say, just your fingertips. And you go around. You flip it over. Get a little more flour on this side. Gotta get some flour under it. And I'm not too good at this. I got bad fingers. I got arthritis. You wonder what that is. Everybody says, what's that, an elbow thing? Well, I do like what my father says. Well, I got shot in the war. So I tell them I got shot in World War II. I wasn't even born. You know, people go, oh, I see. Yeah. I'm getting there, guys, okay? I'm learning. You're better at it than me. I'm stretching this dough. You got to use your fingers. I'm going to get it. Still on? Yep. Okay. It's getting better. We want to be about 16, 18 inches. About 16 inches. What's that? It's getting there. And I'll get a little more round. I'm going to try to, figure out how to make it a little more round. I'm sure that has to do with the stretching. Okay. All right, now I got to get the peel. We're almost ready. Almost ready. Got to get the peel. Put a little cornmeal on it. Got a little cornmeal. Okay, that's enough. And now here's the trick. And flop it on. Bring it back over here. Oh, we gotta get this. Where's my scraper? Gotta get this over here. Okay, now you just straighten it up. All right. Good. Now, cheese. Where's that? There it is. cheese. Cheese on first. Who's on first? Cheese. And I see Gary and they do this kind of like of a thing. So I found out that you want to get the cheese about a half an inch from the end. This is going to probably take most of this cheese. I got another one yet for the next pie. Now, vinegared peppers. I'll put the garlic on it right here. Get rid of that. Now the thing is, you don't want to put a lot of toppings. It's not featuring, like I said, it doesn't feature the toppings. It features the tomato. You try to get it even. Can't see it too good. All right, now vinegared peppers. Then I need a spoon of some sort right here. All right, now these are really kind of like mild. You don't want the vinegar. They call them vinegar peppers. Don't forget, still got to put the tomato on here. Normally I would have these out in a little tray and pick them all, and pick them up and put them on, kind of even it out. That's it. That's good. That's perfect. Put it there. Okay. Maybe I need one over there. Throw one over there. Need one in here. Kind of like even it up. Okay. Put this back in the refrigerator. Now before we get to the final stage, the other glass of wine. Salud. Okay, now the piece of resistance, the maters. Now, I gotta get my wooden spoon. Gotta use a wooden spoon. Mix it up. Then you put the tomatoes on, you hold it like this, and you kind of throw it on like that. I saw Gary do it like this. And you put the tomato on. Alright, that's it. Now, olive oil. I seen Gary years ago used to use a metal thing, like a pitcher. Now he's using these. Olive oil, and I see him put something on, I'm guessing, literally a guess, it's some kind of Parmesan cheese. So throw a little bit of that on. That's it. What that does, I have no idea. Okay, now, here we go. I hope it comes off. Let's see. Alright, we'll do what I can. This is the hard part for me because of my hands and stuff. Okay, we're going to put this right on top of the pot. We're going to slide this in. Get it going. Come on. Perfect. A little bit off the edge, but that's all right. We'll live with that. Okay, now, 8:28. So you got to add 7 minutes to that. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I'm not that smart. I got to count my fingers. Okay, just starting to get brown in here. Starting to get good. Starting to get done. I'm going to tell you a little bit. I got the, where is it? Regular pizza wheel. But also, I always see Di Lorenzo to use a knife. Try it. See what happens. Got a pizza pan here. Let's see. Let's see. Take a look. Another minute. All right, she's ready. Woo! All right. Look at that pie, man. Always remember to turn the oven off. Looking good. Di Lorenzo, here I come. Wow. All right. let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Woo! That thing's hot. I gotta get something to hold it. It's a little bit bigger than the tray. All right, well there you go. DiLorenzo's tomato pie. Trenton, authentic tomato pie, nothing else. Peppers, vinegar peppers, garlic, mozzarella cheese, and tomato. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my videos. Keep subscribing. Click the button on subscribe so you see all my videos that I make. I do other kind of videos. I do trains, you know, and so on. And this one is Trenton tomato pie. I expect to do some other Trenton goodies. So remember one thing. I am living proof that anyone can cook.